Yo, what's up, YouTubes? Hold on. Let me open up the chat and the stream. What is up, people? Alright, hold on. I'm tired today. What's up, good stuff, Ward? How you doing? Streaming. I really didn't think I was gonna stream today because I am tired. What's up, Josiah? How you doing? Man, it has been a busy week. I had 2 interviews this week. Not today. I had 2 interviews this week. And I had just a lot of homework stuff I was doing. Man. I'm tired. Woke up, no, I went to sleep late. Oh my god. I went to sleep at 3:30 a.m. Woke up at 11. So I probably... What's your number? I'm not giving you my number. Hello? Alright, so today we're going to be programming. And we're just going to be learning how to do AngularJS. I've never used AngularJS, so it's going to be quite an experience for me. So I'm following W3 schools. And yeah, hopefully this works out. W3 schools is what I'm following. So let's just see how it goes. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I want to just learn some stuff, and then I want to do, yeah, I guess tomorrow I'm going to start a project with Angular. It depends how far we get to today. But you do what, this, and that equals this. But yeah, I've never used this, so it's going to be an experience. NG, what does NG stand for? Defines AngularJS application. Model directive binds the HTML input to the application data. PNG bind equals name. So let's save that and refresh this. So it's hard to see. Let me make this bigger actually. Because right now we're just gonna be doing small projects. So, oh, you still can't see it. Alright, so, damn, like, it's like that. With that, okay. Okay, let's see what the next thing is. What does this do? Why do you want to do this tech stuff? I'm just asking. Because I like it. I like programming. You use data.ng instead to make it HTML page valid. First, oh, so okay, so you could do this. The sum of 2 numbers. And then you do 5 plus 5. Okay. That's kind of cool. Not gonna lie, that is kind of cool. Alright. So then we could also do this. We could do just first name input equals text. We do this. Text. So you do what? First name plus last name. But then at the end you do this. Script. Oh wait, so wait, you put this in a div. And it's called ng.app equals my app ng.controller Hey, make sure y'all got that water. Drinking that water every day. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you keep that water on you. And then just do that there. And then here we do var app equals angular.module. My CTRL function scope dot first name equals John. Last name Do re mi fa sol fi fa. What did I do that was wrong? ng my app ng controller equals my CTRL. Is it because of this? I don't understand. Why is this not working? App.controller var app equals angular module my app function scope first name last name. Oh, okay. Hold on. What? And oh wait. I don't understand this code based on this application. Let me check for myself. Did I not do this right? Which Angular do I have? This is the one. Bar app, Angular module, function scope, my CTRL. CTRL. Did I do these wrong? ng module. First name, last name. Why isn't this working? Try and change the names. I guess maybe let me try taking this out, maybe. So you can only have one app for the whole thing, I guess. Johnny boy. What's up, Narash? We're just learning how to do AngularJS stuff. Alright, let me create a new file. So we're just gonna be, I'm just gonna go through the tutorial on W3 schools. And then I'm just gonna basically just go through this first before I do anything. So let's see. I get the addition stuff you can remove without solving it. So you do need the, okay. This is cool, hold on. You can do this, you can do div, ng equals this, and then you could do ng.initiate, my colon equals light blue. Put style equals background color. I don't know why you would do it this way, because you could just, at that point, you could just say see, that's cool and all. Wait, it's not. Oh. Okay. Now that's cool. Hold on. Okay, so hold on. Oh, that's so cool. What's up, Janine? J9. How you doing? That's so cool. Like, look, you can type in color and it'll become that color. And then with this, oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I remember you. Hold on, I got a text message. It's nothing. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try this, because I know with this one thing in the code, it's a bit, how do I, make sure I show the code. So we can all, which Pokemon is your favorite? Well, I like Furret and I like Eevee. Eevee is my favorite Pokemon because Eevee's the cutest, but Furret is also cute. Furret is like it's a ferret basically. It's a cute little ferret. I just love it. Okay, and then for this you just do the name is then on the page here when we refresh, name is John because we named it John here. Bye. Alright, see ya. Same example using ngbind. What does ngbind do? Using ng is not very common. You will learn a better way to initialize a chapter about controllers. Arrays, okay. This should return 19. Yeah, that returns 19. Alright. So this Angular stuff is pretty simple so far. But I think now we're getting into harder stuff. Adding a controller. So we did this in the beginning already. But AngularJS has a set of built-in directives which you can add functionality to your. So you can do this. Hold on. You can do this here. You can do div ng app equals my app w3 test directive. And then you do this. So you do var app equals angular.module my app. So that's how you like create it, and then you do app.directive w3 test directive function return template. I was made in a directive constructor. Like that. Interesting. So it's in, what does this do here? It is common in AngularJS applications to put the module and controllers in JavaScript files. In this example, app.js contains an application module definition, while mycontrol.js contains the controller. Interesting. Okay. Global functions should be avoided in JavaScript. They can easily be overridden by destroyed by other scripts. AngularJS modules reduces this problem by keeping all functions local to the module. When to load the library. So let me see if I can show this, not that screen. Is it this one? This one here. Let me see, hold on. We're gonna be reading up on this stuff here. So this is what we're going to be studying from here. What is this one? Alright, I'll just get rid of this. Let me remove this. Alright. Alright, hold on. So we're going to be learning with this. So when to load the library. It is common in HTML to just place script at the end of the body, recommend that you either load the library at the top. As Angular module can be compiled after the library has been loaded. But this is still at the top. Oh, this? Is that what it's talking about? At the end of the body. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Directives. HTML lets you extend HTML with new attributes called directives. Has a set of built-in directives. ng app directive initializes an Angular JavaScript application. Initializes it in application tab. Module binds the input stuff to application data. Yeah, so this binds this input. First name. This initializes first name with hello Joe XD, how you doing? So if I were to type this out in the code, type equals text, ng module equals first name, you wrote first name. I'm doing good. I had 2 interviews this week. One of them went good. The other one, it went alright, but you know, nothing I could do about that now. Alright, so look, we did this code here. That was what was on the screen. So let's see. Wrote John. Okay. So, what's up, Stefano? We're learning about, you know, we're starting with the basics, and then from here, I'm probably gonna, either tomorrow or next week, I'll create a project using Angular, but I think within the stream we're gonna create the guidelines for what it needs to be. That'll probably be next week. Have you finished the music site? I mean, music site always needs to be worked on, but it's I fixed some things with it. There's some few things, other things that I need to fix, but I haven't gotten around to it. I'm planning on doing that maybe next week. NG app tells the directive. People have been flirting in a live chat. What are you talking about? No one's flirting. I don't know. No one's flirting in here. Ooh, we're learning C++ right now. That's what's up. That the div element is the owner of the AngularJS, the first name expression. Data binding binds. Cause wait, you can do ng bind, right? Repeating elements. Okay. Let's test this out. So let's go back to here. And flirting. Yeah, no one's flirting. Yeah, bye. Yawn off. I don't know. That dude weird. Names. Let's just do Eevee. Pikachu. Ferret. And then you can do this. See, this might be a lot better than I'm starting to like this already. I'm gonna be honest. Because now, like with this, when I go here, that's interesting. But I'm trying to think. Could it be changed? Because this is all static. I'm sure it can be changed dynamically. Because look, this is like how many lines in JavaScript. This would be like, this would probably be like 6 lines of code. Maybe, no, this is 6 lines of code. What am I? No, in reality, this is only like 2 lines of code here. Because you got this line, 3 lines, this line, and this line. But in JavaScript, it'd be like 6 to 8 lines. Yeah, there's always someone being weird in the stream. Always some weird people in the stream. That's probably, I think that's one of the reasons why I haven't streamed a lot lately, is because there's some weird people in here that I definitely did not ask for. So we could do this country. Oh wait, we do it like that. America. So we do it like this. So this is ng repeat directive actually clones once for every. Wait. ng repeat directive. So wait, these are called directives right here, or? Yeah, these are called directives. Okay. ng repeat actually clones HTML elements once for each item in the used directive used on an array of objects. Yeah, these are an array of objects. Alright, so then we do something like this. It says x.name plus plus. Okay. It didn't work. Did I not X in names? Well, I know all these, by the way. I see like Pokemon, which I like Eevee. Eevee, because Eevee's cute, and then I like Fur because Furret's also cool. Oh yeah, I have these. Oh, I see what I didn't finish this. There, okay. That's pretty cool, actually. Look, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else. So let's continue. AngularJS is perfect for the database CRUD. Create, read, update, delete applications. Just imagine if these objects were records. Yeah, Eevee is cute. Defines the root element. Directive. Oh, it keeps saying this. It's like you will learn more about it later, and I understand that it's right here. It's one of the drop downs here, but it's like, come on. All right, wait. We missed. All right, so we are here. In addition to all built-in applications. Will you do anything special for 10K? Maybe. I don't know right now. Maybe I'll create a Discord. Chat or whatever. But that would take a while for me to set up. To make sure there's some. I mean, I have one, but I haven't used it in so long. You create your own directives. When naming a directive, you must use camel case name W3 test directive. But when invoking it, you must use that separated name. I could have. Like, a lot of this I don't want to, like, a lot of this I might read, but a lot of it I also don't really need to just, I can just look at it and understand it. What's your favorite video game if you play any? I don't really play video games. It's hard to answer that. What's the difference if you use it in a div? There is no difference, it's just a waste. You can use it in a class? Wait, you can use it in a comment? What? Oh, hold on. Let me show this. Oh, how do I, hold on. Look at this. You can use it in a comment. That's crazy. What does restrict do? Hold on. Oh, restrictions. You can restrict your... invoked by attributes. Oh, okay. EACM. EA. So this is for M would be for comment. That doesn't make sense. Why didn't they use they use C for class? Okay. That's crazy. I'm pretty good. Pretty much sure Meadow, Gear Solid, Snake Eater is the best game I've ever played. Hey, that's what's up. We've added the replace property. I just wrote sure. It's all good. Oh, it turned everything back on. Alright, I'm gonna delete some of these things here. These things I don't use at all. Alright, what is this? I can delete. I was gone. Yeah, I don't know. It lagged. It lagged. My stream's always having these issues. Alright, so that should be better now. Alright, there. What was the replace function? It says here, we've added the replace property. Otherwise, the comment would be invisible. Gotta leave, I shall eat. It's 1923 there. Wow. Alright, have a nice meal. I won't be live long. Like, I'm planning just to be live for another like 15 minutes. Like I'm gonna be live for at least an hour today. I'm really not feeling it today. I don't know why. Yeah, they are scary. What the fuck is that? Thing is the engine model directive, you combine the value of an input field to a variable. Yeah, we know that, right? Engine model name, we know this. Yeah, we know that. You're back. Hey, welcome back. Let's try this one, because this looks interesting to do. So let me close this. Let's switch back to here, and let's try that one out. So this time it's a form. error.email. Let's try this. That's pretty cool, actually. Like, it's actually pretty cool that you can do that, because this is literally, it saves so much time. It saves so much time than JavaScript, to be honest. AngularJS, I think, might be the way to go. But we're gonna be, next week we're gonna create a project to do with it, because today I'm just learning. If the ng model attribute does not exist, AngularJS will create one for you. This one, let me just copy and paste. Let me see what this does here. What does this mean? Valid dirty touched error? What the hell does that mean? Like, look at this. I'm trying to, so error I get. Email, from email, okay. Does it tell me what this means? Oh, it does. Then why doesn't it tell you here? Like, it should tell you. So, it says here, valid, true. If true, the value meets all criteria. Dirty, false, if value has been changed. If value has been in focus. Oh, okay. Okay, so that makes sense now. And then we have dot error. Okay. ng, you could use this in CSS? What the fuck? Oh, you can't see it. The hell? Why was it all the way up there? That was strange. But look, if I type in my name, it disappears. Then if this is empty, it gets the class again. That's what's up. So if it's ng invalid, and if it was valid, would it be the other way around? It is the other way around. Hey, that's okay. I mean, I just assumed there was a valid. It's right here. I didn't know. Pending empty, not empty. So we learned a lot with this page here. The model, two-way binding. Okay. Data binding. Synchronization between a model and a view. It's called the view. The view has access to the model. HTML view. Okay, we know about this. The ng model directive to bind data from the model. We know about that. We know about this. Don't know about this. Hold on. On click, change name, first name. So if I click on this, oh, it changes the name. And ng click, let me show this. Ng click here changes the name. But wait, how do they know? Change name. Oh, it's right here. Interesting. Okay, okay. Isn't there a hide one? Was it the other one here? I want to test something. ng empty here, valid. ng invalid. Oh. Okay. So that means this whole div can have multiple functions here. And the functions get defined through this. That's actually pretty cool. And I need to double check because I believe it said this, and this gets put in different files. If that's the case, that's actually pretty cool. Okay. Controllers. We're back at the controllers again. Are controlled by controllers. Controller directive defines the application controller. The AngularJS application is defined by ng.app_myapp. The application runs inside the div. ng-controller is the directive attribute which defines the controller. The scope is the application object, the owner of the application variables and functions. The controller creates two properties, variables and a scope name. Oh, here. First name, last name, and then this full name. Okay. method's full name, we could just do a function here, which makes sense, but at the same time, it's a demonstration here. An example above demonstrated a controller object with two properties, last name and first name, can have controller can also have methods, variables as functions. Controllers and so script.person controller. So do you want? In larger applications, it is common to store controllers in external files. Just copy to paste script and tags in the external file here. I mean, I'm not going to test all that because I believe them. But if that's the controller, is a div ng app, but we haven't learned anything about the CSS is over here. I think that'd be more React.js then instead, but it's whatever. I don't need to test this because I know how external files work, but we'll create new so what you don't have to do, you don't even have to do this. Where is it? This. You could just go straight into here with the dot, as we see right here. Okay. Oh, is this because it's in a different file? So with this, yeah, okay. If it wasn't in a different file, we would need to have it in this with the variable. Okay. Scopes. You pass the scope object as an argument. When adding properties to scope object in the controller, the view HTML gets access to these properties. In the view, you do not use prefix scope. You just refer to, okay, so in the view, which is here. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, this makes sense here. Know your scope. Let's try this out. So we're gonna go back to our code here, and we're gonna try this one out for size, because I think this one is a good one to test. MyCTRL. var app equals angular.module my app, and then it's like this, and then we do app.controller Functional scope. Then we do scope dot names equals Emil, Tobias, and Linus. Alright, so let's see how that looks. Oh, I didn't put Tobias, I put Obias. It doesn't matter, but okay. Each LI element has access to the current repetition object. In the case in which X is referred to. Okay. That makes sense. All applications will have the root scope, which is the scope on the HTML element that contains ng app directive. The root scope is available in the entire application if the variable. Oh, okay, so let's take a look at this real quick. And let's see. Let's break this down. So, the variable color exists in both the controller's scope and in the root scope. So, the ng app is here, but the ng app controller is here. So, I believe this will be blue, this will be red, and this will be blue. Blue, red, blue. Okay, yeah. So, blue, red. So this is like global and not global. Notice that the controller's color variable does not override the root scope's color value. App.run function. Root scope. If this wasn't here, what would change? Color. Okay, that makes sense. So the root scope favorite color, and then this, and then, so if I were to do this, hold on. If I were to do this, if ng.controller equals my ctrl2, and I said my favorite color is, does it have to be, I don't know if it has to be in the thing there, but I'm gonna do this. Then if I do app.controller my ctrl2 function scope.color equals purple, that should return, yeah, it is purple. So there, my favorite color is purple, and because we have a second controller here. Okay. But body ng app. So in order to create another application, we would need to do this again here. Because if I said div ng app equals my app 2, I believe that would change all this. No. Oh, let me try that. It's still purple? What? My app 2, my CTR app 2. But that's app. That doesn't make sense. I thought this would work. NG app, my app 2. Interesting. Well, that's gonna do it for today's stream. Let me turn my thing back on. Hold on. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's stream. I'll probably stream a lot longer than tomorrow. I'm just really not feeling well today. I'm extremely tired, so I'm gonna probably go get some rest. And I think we learned a lot today. I certainly did. Tomorrow, look at this. It's bound to get interesting here. Filters, services, like look at these. HTTP requests, validation, like it's gonna get interesting. Animating, I can't wait, honestly. This was all basic stuff at the top here. And I think we learned actually a lot. And I'll keep looking at it off camera. So that would mean, so I would get more of understanding. But after tomorrow, I'll put up a community post and tell y'all to like comment down below what features, like we're gonna create a project, what features should I have? And yeah, thanks for stopping by and catch